Hey you guys, my name is Kayla and I'm a traveling graphic designer. And today I'm going to be sharing with you my 5 streams of income as a digital nomad. I wanted to give you a deeper look into the sort of ecosystem I've created for myself surrounding the selling of planners and other digital resources, and how that all comes together to fund my full time travels. So, my first stream of income is where it all began for me, which is Etsy. On Etsy, I sell personal use digital tools and resources for business owners, including products like printable and digital planners, social media templates, Dipsado templates, edible Canva templates, and Show It templates. This is my second largest stream of income, and the great thing about my shop on Etsy is that it's nearly 100% passive. The most time that I spend on this platform is to answer any messages that I get from customers and doing a few updates a few times a year to keep things refreshed. Other than that, I'm able to earn a consistent income from products I created years ago, making it the perfect business as someone who needs flexibility while traveling. My next 3 streams of income are all earned from my website, amarosedesigns.com. After my success on Etsy, I decided to branch off and have more ownership of my company. Etsy is a great place to get started, but you are limited to your branding and overall your business model if you solely use their platform. So, what better way to completely own your brand than with a website? So, the 3 streams of income earned on my website are my product based transactions, my service based transactions, and my education based transactions. Under my product based stream of income, it's similar to how I earn income on Etsy. I have a collection of digital products that I sell as digital downloads passively, but they're hosted on my website. These products include commercial use items such as my white label planners and my Build a Planner Shop bundle, and personal use items for planner sellers like my planner product images and product description scripts. And again, under this stream, I essentially set it up and only have to spend time working on it if I need to answer any live chat messages, emails, or if I need to do any updates. Also, on my website, I have service based income streams, which include my print production project management services, my planner design services, and also on occasion, I'll offer consulting services for my loyal clients. Each of these streams are a lot more hands on as I'm 100% involved in all of my clients' projects. My service based income streams are by far my largest income stream because I can charge a more premium price tag on my services. And it's also one of my favorite sources of income because I get to be a lot more creative and I feel like I have a lot more impact being able to see a project through from start to finish. So while not passively earned, I've been fortunate enough to be able to set up my services to still be flexible with my traveling schedule because I can dictate how much or how little I want to work for that particular month. And the last source of income based on my website is my education based income. This is income that I receive from my students signing up to my online courses. I have a total of 3 separate online self paced courses and one bundle which combine my 3 courses together to create the Sell Your Way to 1K Academy. This stream of income is also pretty passive, though I may unenroll my courses soon because they don't quite align with my business model anymore, now that my website has evolved over the past year. And lastly, my final stream of income is on Amazon. I utilize Amazon KDP as a print on demand service to print my collection of journals, notebooks, and grid paper and ship them to my customers. This source of income is my lowest producing income, and though it's passive, it requires a lot of sales to generate a decent amount of money due to Amazon's low royalty rates. From my experience, you would either need a lot of people who are already your loyal customers, where you can just redirect them over to your Amazon shop, or you should make a ton of listings so you can have a better chance of being organically discovered to make a real living with just Amazon KDP. But considering it's passive income, you can literally set it up and forget about it. So it's worth looking into for a little bit of chunk of cash at the end of the month. And that's it, you guys. My 5 sources of income as a traveling graphic designer and digital nomad. I hope this gives you a little bit of insight into how you can make money online so you can pursue freedom and flexibility within your own lives. And if you'd like to learn more about how to actually sell planners online, feel free to check out our free ebook down below where we'll go over how to take the planners you've designed and turn them into passive income. And as always, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you stay a while. Until next time.